go again. So we'll do now another mock test.
Okay.
Part 1. Part 2, sorry.
Okay.
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 Ready? Don't worry, you'll be okay. Just trust yourself for driving, Relax. No tension, no anything. You'll be okay. Okay, we'll go right. And again, right. This time it's rush time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can go right. Can you go straight that side?
No.
No, okay. Okay, we will go left. Can you go change the line to the left?
No. Yeah, no overtaking road.
And you will go right. Relax, huh? And again right.
When exiting the petrol station, always remember to turn on your right indicator. During the test, the instructor won't remind you, and forgetting to signal is considered a serious mistake.
And again right. Can you go right again? To the all right time. Alright, now we go left. Good, good. Left, and you left. That's it. You are not on the left, you are not on the right, you are in the middle.
Okay.
So where's left? You have to be there, near the corner. Yeah. Okay?
When turning right and then left, make sure to stay on the left side of the road, not in the middle.
If he said to you, or the examiner, or me, go to the right. So you have to keep right.
Okay.
Left, you have to keep left.
Okay.
Don't be in the middle, you know where you're going. Slow down. Yeah. Okay. Can any bark left? Anju? All right. Okay. Thank you, Anju.
Welcome.
Thank you. Good luck, inshallah. So you know your mistakes, eh?
I understood what is my mistake.
All right. Thank you. We'll let Opani, she will explain for what kind of mistake, inshallah, in the video.
Okay.
Because I'm going to Bangalore.
Okay. Happy journey. Have a safe journey.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. We'll see you again, inshallah.
Okay.
We'll be back from I forget the city. What's the name? Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Anju. Good luck, inshallah.
Thank you.
We go home, na?
We go.